What is SQL? Sir, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is communicate with the database, and it is used to perform some task like insert, delete, update. These are the SQL. What is DDL? Sir, DDL means data definition language. It is used to alter, drop, truncate, and create. What is DML? Sir, DML means data manipulation language. It is used some performing task like update, delete, and insert. What is DCL? Sir, DCL means data control language, and it is allow the restrict from the user the data in a database, and it is some task performance like grant and revoke. What is TCL? Sir, TCL means transaction control language. It is used commit and rollback. What is DQL? Sir, DQL means data query language. It is used command select. What is normalization? Sir, normalization is a process and minimizing redundancy, and it is remove in three parts like insert, delete, update. And normalization is divided into larger than into smaller than. What is join and types of join? Sir, join is in SQL. Join is a combination of two or more table in the database, and there are four types of join. First, inner join, and second, left join, and third, right join, and fourth, full join. Difference between drop and truncate and delete. Sir, first of all, I talk about delete. And delete, it is used data manipulation language, and delete command, we can write the delete command and delete the row in a table, and I can use where clause and delete the single by single row in a table, and delete it is used rollback performance. And I talk about drop statement. So drop, it is delete all the structure and schema in a table. And I talk about truncate. Truncate, it is a data definition language, and it is used delete the row in a table, and it is not used where clause, and it is not performance like rollback. Difference between where and having. Sir, where is filter the row in a table, and it is not work on aggregate function, but having it can work on aggregate function. What is difference between order by and group by? Sir, order by in SQL, we can use the data in a table. We can find the ascending order and descending order, so I can use order by. And what is group by? Sir, group by work on aggregate function like maximum, minimum, average. What is data? Sir, data is a information, and it is a raw fact and figure of the, and it is stored the data in a database. What is trigger? Sir, trigger are defined as a special kind of store programmers which are automatically execute whenever a specific operator occurs of the database server. It is called triggers. What is aggregate function? Aggregate function, it is used in SQL, like performance such a task, max, mean, and average. These are the performance used in aggregate function. Difference between union and union all. Sir, union, we can use the union keyword in a table, and we can remove the duplicate value, and union all, we cannot remove the duplicate value. Thank you, sir.